Hello guys, so today we'll be looking at two amazing essential products for content creators out there, especially for travel enthusiasts and for those who love to film on the go. So yes, this is a tripod made by Telesin. It's called a rechargeable shorty tripod with remote control. And then this is a GoPro battery. And guess what? This GoPro battery can work for Hero 9, 10 and 11. And amazingly, with this GoPro battery, you can film for longer hours. This is about 1,750 mAh. Now, let's go straight to the unboxing of this product and let's see how it looks like inside the box. Okay, this is quite portable and handy. Trust me, this is very, very good for amazing shots, and it serves as a tripod and also as a monopod. And of course, you can increase it. This is the remote control. So basically, this is a tripod, this is the remote, and then this is the USB cord. To charge, you just open this. You can see there's a port there, and you connect your USB, and that's what you have for the Telesin rechargeable tripod. This is the GoPro battery, and let's check it out. It's actually bigger than the usual GoPro battery in terms of the bulkiness. It works for the Hero 9, 10, 11, and even 12. I forgot to tell you that. So this is the battery that came with the GoPro, like GoPro 9, and then this is, you can see, it's almost same size, but this is a bit bulkier. Earlier this year, I traveled and I was filming at the beach, and I discovered that after a while, the GoPro tells me sends me an error message, and I kept wondering what's the problem. I changed my memory card and it's still the same thing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's supposed to be recording. So I turn it on again. See, file repair. Anytime I press the record button, after a while, it records, see what it does, and file repairs. So I kept wondering what's the problem, and only for me to find out what the problem was. This was the problem. So with the Telesin battery, you won't have such issues. Let's see it. So you press the record button and it's recording. No problem. It's still recording. No issues. So it wasn't the memory card, it wasn't the camera, it was the battery. So whether you're a vlogger, a travel enthusiast, or just someone who loves capturing moments, this tripod and the Telesin GoPro battery are perfect addition to your gear. So these are budget-friendly options that pack a punch in performance and reliability. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next review.